From this past few weeks, I have been collecting these flyers, ad papers, which comes with daily newspaper, and today I'm gonna recycle it into junk journal. We will start by folding this equally by the edges, and you can do as you like. There's no rule here. Now start stacking them as you wish or as you like, by colors, by sizes, by textures, by patterns. There's no rule here too. It's your junk journal, not geometry. And now for the cover of our junk journal, I'm gonna use this cute paper bag which I had for months now. And look, it has a patterns on the side too, which I'm gonna save it for some other day projects. Now I'm placing this biggest paper on the paper bag and gonna mark at the edges to take measurements. Taking 1 to 1.5 centimeter away from the edges, which markings we had earlier. These are just for the cover, which we are going to fold and paste it later. Here I am thinking if this paper is too good for this project, because look how cute it is, like how many pictures it has. Maybe I'll just keep it for another project. Now I will take another paper which is equally as big as the earlier one and just paste it with a glue stick. Now here the extra measurements which we took earlier, the extra space which we had, now just fold it inside the page .
कैसा लगे जो चुपचाप दोनों ओ पल पल में पूरी, कैसा लगे जो चुपचाप दोनों ओ पल पल में पूरी।
For binding the journal, we can use different methods. Use the method which you like or which you are easy at. I'm not very much great at this sieving, so now you can see me struggling with this. For this, one can use stapler too. If you have and if you like it, you can use it.